Welcome to Kadam Academy YouTube channel. This is the vibration numerical series. Under this vibration numerical, it's related to transverse vibration, single degree of freedom, and then transverse vibration case is there. This example statement I will read it. Obtain an expression for a stiffness and the natural frequency of a cantilever beam with cross-sectional area B into D. This is the one beam which is fixed at one end and with the cross-section B into D, and length is L and subjected to transverse force. This is the force applied at the end of this free end of this beam. So transverse force is there, so it's a transverse vibration numerical. Okay. To solve this numerical, what is the given to you? We know. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to start with the for the cantilever is deflection. Write the deflection of this. What is the deflection? Del. Suppose del is the deflection. So deflection of this cantilever beam, in this case cantilever beam, del become WLQ, in denominator 3EIX, where E is the modulus of elasticity for this beam, and L is the total length, and IX is what? IX is the mass moment of inertia. Okay, so these values not funded, we have to find out the omega L and the Fn natural frequency for this transverse vibration. So omega N we have to find out here. In this case we have to find out the omega N is what and the Fn is what. Okay, so for that this del we must know, as this beam is cross section is B into D, means what? It's a rectangular section. It's a rectangular cross section. So Ix becomes, value of Ix becomes BD cube, denominator 12. So this Ix, that is what? The mass moment of inertia. I will write here BD cube by 12. This already you have studied in SOM subject. So now what? Find out the stiffness. Next is find out the stiffness of this beam. What we are studying, this beam is considered with the stiffness K. Stiffness of beam K. The K we can calculate by using this formula W by del. This W by del, this value of W is the force or this whatever the weight under in denominator this del. This del, put the value of this total omega L cube. This is a WL cube, sorry, in 3EIX. So W get cancelled here. Okay. So what is remaining then? 3EIX denominator L cube. But I'll rewrite this equation 3EIX L cube. But IX, already we have written here value of IX, then it will becomes 3 into multiplied by E multiplied by Ix. Ix is what? B into D cube by 12. And what is already in here? Denominator L cube. So 3, 12 get cancelled, and what will the in denominator? So K becomes EBT cube 4L cube. Okay. This K is the value we have got it. Okay. So this we can consider as a system, the spring mass system. Okay. So what will the, in this case, what will the omega n under root of k by m. This natural frequency for transverse vibrations, natural frequency. For this you have to watch the video of the transverse vibration or derivation. You can see the what is the value of this omega n, how to find out this omega n. In that case omega n becomes k by m. So again I will write this equation clearly. E b d cube, and in denominator m into 4m l cube. So this is the value of your natural frequency, and frequency of oscillation I will write here. Fn is equal to omega n by 2 pi. So 1 by 2 pi I will write here, where I will put here this omega n becomes EBD cube by 4L cube, and this omega n, I just put the value of this omega n here, EBD cube by 4m cube. Finally Fn becomes 1 by 2 pi under root of this EBD cube 4m, this is the under root 4m L cube. So friends, this we have to find out, that is the final answer here, and these are the two final. This is natural frequency and this is the frequency of oscillations we have found out. So friend, this is the very simple numerical we have solved for this transverse vibration. You watch more and more video for the more numerical related to transverse and torsional vibration. For that, if you are not subscribed my channel, YouTube channel, just log in YouTube channel and sign in YouTube channel, and then subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you very much.